top shelf, bottom drawer. Oh yeah. Beautiful Louisiana crawfish. That's and lemon. Yeah. What are we waiting for?
Crawfish.
You too?
Crawfishes are going in my tummy. Sorry, little guys.
I smell those crawfish beginning to boil.
3 times.
Wasted away again in crawfish. You guys are so jealous of each other. So, is this a two-headed dog? I can't pet you both. I guess I can. I guess I can rub 2 ears at the same time. Yeah. Oh, you miss your mama. Yeah. If you're balancing out your portfolio, it's a really good idea to have a lot of these. Guess why? Hey, this is the Spanish version of Let's Kiss and Say Goodbye.
I like it. That's burned out.
Excuse to me, would you like to try the swings?
Yes.
Would you come swings with me?
Okay.
No, don't. What you do, you break. Don't break it. Don't break it. Solo hombre. Per los swingos. Please, swingers, be careful. Oh my God, that is so cute.
Seems a little bit scary right now. Let's just kiss and say goodbye.
Oh wait, this is not a picture. This is los videos.
I got a Ninja.
No, we don't care about the
blender.
brand. It's a blender. It's a blender.
Yes.
It's a good blender.
She got a blender like ours is what she got.
It's freaking cool.
Good.
I really need this.
Good. Yay.
Thank you.
right,
Yeah,
let's-
you're welcome.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's.
Andiamo in the spiaggia. I'm ready.
Me too. Va bene.
What the hell are you doing, Greg? What are you working on?
Well, we're going to put this 302 in that 59 Ford that now has a Crown Vic front axle in it.
You are a patient, deliberate fellow. So you cut that in, huh?
You got to cut your frame, and then I bought the boxes because it's cheaper to buy them than for me to make them at the cost of steel nowadays.
So you had to go with a Crown Vic axle.
Yeah, yep. These are very universal to a lot of front end swaps, especially for old cars. Essentially, you can see this, they basically bolt on.
Yeah. Look
So-
at this. This is nice and shiny.
Yep, that is
So you'll be-
a power booster master cylinder with a proportional valve for a Chevy,
Oh, nice.
because it was cheaper to buy the Chevy one than the Ford.
Well, this thing did not have power braking system.
No, so now I have front disc brakes,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah,
Cool.
this is,
Couple more hours, you'll be done.
yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna quit for today, but I'm thinking, maybe by Saturday, go for a ride.
Nice.
Hey, check this out. Here's the new steering wheel and steering column.
Oh, wow.
Check that out. Check that out.
Now, you gonna call the guy that sold it to you to make him jealous and show him, or you just no? Good.
He's done quite a few of these already.
You should go pull away. Don't forget about your baby back there.
Yeah.
New baby's born, you know, you forget about the oldest one.
Yeah, that's a moment of contention.
Oh, somebody's bleeding some brakes.
Yeah.
You're gonna paint the letters. Huh?
And then
You're gonna leave a lot of rust and a lot of
and then
patina.
just clear it. Clear it. Yeah.
Wow, look who found my new toy. And all of a sudden, she wants to do it. What? Wait.
But I don't know how to do it.
You gotta have safety glasses.
Yeah, smile. Oh, let me see. Let me see that smile. Oh, he's a pretty boy.
Hi, you're so cute. Look at that
Oh.
Get that bitch, Poe. Get that flea. Get it. Where's the dang spider you speak of?
Right there. Can't miss it.
Oh, I see him. Come here, spider. Come on.
He just wants to go outside. Man.
Ow! Right, you don't like dad humor? It's funny how dad humor rhymes with bad humor.
Or I used some of your dad humor on
I happened to find some crawfish locally, and I am so happy. You look ridiculous. You look so macho, Bear. I'm convalescing. Here, I'll let you see it. And there's the one that's healing up really nicely. And then this is the incision, which we're healing with moringa oil. Not moringa, castor oil. So you won't even see this lumpy scar, hopefully. And then under here, this is all numb right now. Under here is where this sutured prosthetic is. What do you call that?
Mesh.
Yeah, don't tell anybody. And then before they went in, the first time they went in through here, and then they put 2 holes here and here, but all that's gonna be gone. Castor oil.
Yeah.
And I'm losing that bloating from surgery now. The second surgery in 6 months. So.
Okay.
Don't blow a gasket.
Go back to sleep.
What's happening over there? Is Bear doing the downward dog?
No. He's hanging out.
Hell, is this some kind of performance art or something?
Yeah. It's painful.
Dustin's much more artistic than you. Look at her hands. Namyo Renge Kyo.
That's a good lat
Yo
stretch.
quiero uno burrito. Lávase los manos, por favor. No bueno está pueblo. Let's just kiss and say goodbye. Beer.
Okay. Matt, and then, excuse me, Bear. Yeah, put your, then breathe into
Follow
your
along at
belly.
home. What the hell are you doing?
Cat and cow.
Meow.
Well, that's not very relaxing.
It doesn't look very relaxing.
No, you are not very relaxing.
Oh, sorry. You don't like the peanut gallery? Jen, you got no acetol. I need to take some pills for that.
Go, sweet boy. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm bored.
And then you can pull your left hand to your face and push up. And then left hand to your head.
Thread the needle.
Yeah. And then just make sure your hips are in line.
Don't get on my furniture. Don't get on my 70s couch.
To roll on
His
your
yoga
shoulder.
posture.
Your left shoulder if you can. And
Very
look up
nice.
a couple times. And then a couple
This is not very relaxing for my convalescence. You know, I'm trying to heal over here.
And then, cross. It's an N. Back up.
What is that?
You're on your
Warrior
foot.
one.
The side of your foot.
Ow.
That's because that body's almost 60 years old.
Hey.
Hey,
Okay, and then
just
Humble
kidding.
warrior.
Just messing around.
We love you.
and then straight. Go to cheetah. Try to touch your knee to your nose. Back up. Twist to your cheetah. Back up.
What is this one?
And back.
We don't know. Little cutie.
Oh,
Flat back. And bend your knees and you can leave your hands hang. Right arm under your left.
all right, so this will be a yoga instruction video.
How not to do it is the closest person to you.
Have a spot in front of you. An eagle.
Eagle.
Eagle pose. You can do it.
And try and center yourself back to the front. And then wrap your left arm under your right arm. And try and keep your elbows in line with your shoulders. Your back is straight.
I should have put some makeup on.
Don't be vain.
Do you feel it in your
Yogis are not vain.
In my lower back.
left?
This is awesome.
Yeah.
I should be doing this.
Yeah.
I can't do that. That would hurt so badly right now.
Did we do that on the other side?
So that's how you get those nice abradabbers.
Supernatural.
Jen, people are going to get triggered because you have a finger gun.
To the left.
I will
It's
disarm.
yoga pose.
Will disarm you. Yeah.
Knees to be in line with your hips. Knees. And then you can come down.
Oh, you look nice with no makeup.
And then you can put your
This is Jen with no makeup.
feet together and do another bridge.
Oh, bird.
Do it like Destin's doing
No, shut up.
it. You can do it.
And my shoulders.
Hurt.
Foot hurt.
What was that popping sound?
It's my foot.
Favorite pose?
Yeah.
Why?
It's
What-
just so comfy.
What is it?
Happy baby.
Happy baby.
Makes me a happy baby.
And Shavasana.
Bear's rocking the Shavasana. Yogananda propaganda. Don't forget your bag. I like Destin's bag. Destin's packed for a European tour.
This is a week.
Are you moving? Yeah, right. This is my backyard. What are you doing? So majestic. Beautiful. Look at that. That's awesome. What'd you forget? I just opened the door to one of the sheds and this little guy fell out. I guess he was on top of this door. He'll probably. You know what I think would be a good idea?